Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, in our last videos we have discussed about the adaptations in animals, those who are living in the hot and dry climatic conditions. Now today our topic is adaptations of animals in the tropical rainforest. So here is the map of world which is showing the major rainforest in the world. Okay, so you can see here these major rainforest, they are mainly situated in the equatorial region of earth. Okay, this is the equatorial region of the earth, equatorial part. Now here you can see the Olympic rainforest in the temperate part of North America, temperate zone in North America. Then rainforest of Central America, they lie here. Then Amazon rainforest are there in South America, you can see the arrow. Then you have this Madagascar rainforest in Africa, and Congo River Basin rainforest in Africa, and rainforest of Southeast Asia including India's Western Ghats. So these are the major rainforest of in the world. Okay, then we will see the climatic conditions of this tropical rainforest. Now you can see here the region is represented by hot and wet climate. The climate of tropical rainforest is hot and wet because it is heavily raining there throughout the year. This region is located around the equator, just we have seen in the map of the world. Okay, the temperature of this region is more than 50 degrees in winter, and it may cross 40 degrees Celsius during the summers. Days and nights are almost equal in the length throughout the year because it lies in the equatorial belt of the earth. Okay, high temperature and excessive rainfall, high temperature and excessive rainfall, these support a wide variety of animals and plants. You can see a wide variety of animals and plants in this rainforest, and animals that are living in the tropical regions are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, snakes, birds and insects. There are large animals also and small animals also. Okay, in tropical rainforest, climatic conditions support enormous number of variety of animals. So there is an intense competition for food and shelter. There is competition for food and shelter, and that's why these animals possess different adaptations because they have to survive in this competition. Animals present in the tropical rainforest are adapted to minimize the competition for food and shelter. That means these animals change themselves according to the availability of food and shelter, and thus they are adapted to their surroundings, or they are adapted to their environment. Okay, now we will see the some animals and their adaptations. Okay, the one by one we will see adaptations of animals. The first one is elephant. This is the well known animal of tropical rainforest. Elephant is a well known example of animals present in the tropical rainforest. Now what are the adaptations of animals that help him to survive in this region? The first one is it has a big trunk. Elephants have big trunk, that is modified upper lip and nose. Trunk is nothing but the modified upper lip and the nose, and because of this trunk, elephant has a good sense of smell. They have good sense of smell, and the trunk also helps in picking up of food. So trunk is very important. Then second adaptation is tusk. Tusk of elephant are modified teeth. These are the modified teeth, and that help in tearing of bark of trees. Bark of trees is one of the favorite food of elephant. It is the favorite food of elephant, bark of the trees. Bark means the outer covering of the trunk of a tree. Okay, the next adaptation is elephants have large ears. That help them to hear the soft sounds they can hear with the help of large ears, and also they help to radiate out the heat and from their bodies. radiate the heat from their bodies, and thus they keep themselves cool in the summers. Okay, so these are all the adaptations in a elephant. Okay, you can see the picture of elephant. This is the what we can say, this is the trunk, and these are the tusks, and these are the large ears. Okay, so these are the adaptations of this elephant. Then we have lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque, I will show you the picture first. This is lion-tailed macaque. Okay, and we will see its adaptations. It is also known as beard ape. It is also known as beard ape. It lives in the rainforest of Western Ghats in India. It lives in the Western Ghats in India. It feeds on the fruits, seeds, leaves, flowers and birds, and also feeds on the insects present under the bark of trees. Just now I told you what is the bark. So many insects live under the bark of the trees, and these trees are the food of this macaque. Okay, it gets sufficient food from the trees, and so it rarely comes down on the ground. Macaques, they come rarely on the ground because they have enough food for them on the trees. Okay, so this is about the lion-tailed macaque. They are found in Western Ghats. Okay, this is the picture, lion-tailed. The next animal that lives in the rainforest is a monkey. You must have seen monkeys many times. They have long tails, and this tail is known as prehensile tail because it can be used to grasp the branches of trees as done by hands. Okay, that's why it is known as prehensile tail. Okay, and it is used for grasping the branches of the trees. They also use their arms and legs to swing from one tree to another tree. Their arms and legs and tail are very strong, and because of that they can swing from one tree to another tree very easily, and they never fall from the trees. Okay, so this is about the monkeys. I will show you the picture. You can see the monkeys. Then we have red-eyed frog. This red-eyed frog has sticky pads. It has sticky pads on its feet, and this help it to climb on the trees. The sticky pads help red-eyed frog to climb on the trees. They can attach themselves on the trees. Okay, this is the adaptation of red-eyed frog. Here you can see the what we can say, red-eyed frog. You can see the red eyes of this frog. Okay, and it is of green color, so it helps it to match itself into the surrounding green plants or trees. Okay, and these red eyes, they used to what you can say, to protect themselves from the predators. Okay, because they are very shiny and they are very bright, also bright red color it is. Okay, then next animal or next bird is the toucan. Toucan has a long and large beak. Long and large beak, and this long large beak helps it to reach the fruits on the branches of the trees on which they cannot sit. Okay, sometimes the fruit is grown in such a way that these birds cannot reach to them, and that time they use their long and large beak and they can get the fruit from the trees. Okay, so here is the toucan. You can see the large beak, large and strong beak of the toucan. This is the beak. Okay, then next we have chameleon. Chameleon is the one type of lizard. Okay, and it can live, or it is found in almost all the habitats, and these chameleon are very well known for their camouflage. Okay, the eyes are very large. You can see the picture. The eyes of the chameleon, they are large. Okay, and they move in all directions. Their eyes can move all the directions. Our eyes can move only even means we cannot see at the back. Okay, but chameleon can see in all the directions, and they are better adapted for binocular vision. Okay, the chameleon sees front with its right eye and behind with its left eye. Means both the eyes are giving different sights that right eye sees the front and left eye sees the behind. Okay, then its tongue, it is very large and sticky and rolled up as a tape inside the mouth. It is rolled up inside the mouth, and when it finds the insect or its prey, then it removes that tongue from the mouth and pick up that insect or whatever prey it is. Okay, then it has the capacity to change its skin color similar to that of the background to hide itself. Okay, so suppose it is sitting on a branch of a tree and which is of brownish color, then it can change its color to the brown shade. If it is sitting on a branch which is having green colored leaves, then it changes its color to the green. It is known as camouflage, changing of skin color and blending with the surrounding so that its predators may not find it. Okay, so these are the adaptations of chameleon. Here we will stop. We will meet again in our next video, that is adaptations of animals in the polar region. So till then, take care. Bye bye.